In this video, I'm going to show you how to squeeze out more profits or capital from your returned items on Amazon. Now, it stinks getting a return, and someone asked me this question in a recent video comment. What do you typically do with the items you get back from Amazon? This was a video about opening up a removal order and setting up a removal order and getting reimbursed for damaged items that are sent to you in a removal order. I'll post a link to that in the notes below. But they want to know what they can do to squeeze out more money or some capital from their returned items. So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Returns stink. I hate getting returns. But there's still ways that you can squeeze out some profits from those returned items. Well, the first thing you need to do is create a removal order. Create a removal order to return that particular inventory item back to your address. Some people just decide to dispose of it and kind of move on with their life. But if you need to squeeze out more profits from your returned items, create a removal order. Have it sent back to you. It's super affordable, super cheap, probably the cheapest type of shipping system that Amazon has. It's sent back to you, and when you get it back, you can inspect it yourself. The second thing you need to do after the removal order is inspect the item. If it's still new, guess what? Send it back to Amazon. I mean, double check that it's 100% new. Amazon condition guidelines say that new condition means gift quality, unopened condition. So just because the item is unused does not mean it's still new. It needs to be gift quality. So if it's still in new condition, send it back to Amazon to get some more profits from that particular item. Number 3, if it's not new, see if you can sell it on Amazon in used or collectible condition. There are different types of ways that you can do conditions on used items or collectible items. You can sell it as like new, very good, good, acceptable. So when you are looking at the particular item, then you can see, okay, I can still sell this as a used or collectible. Send that back into Amazon under that condition note. Lower the price or price it competitively with the other competitors and how they're pricing their used or collectible items as well, to be able to try to sell it. If you had a paid subscription account to Keepa, you can actually go into Keepa and look at the used condition prices history. So you can look at the different pricing for those and be able to price competitively. You can find out more about Keepa, fulltimefba.com/Keepa. So if you create a removal order, you see if it's new or not, send it back in if it's new. If it's used or collectible, try to see if it's profitable selling it used or collectible. If not, and maybe not even profitable. I mean, if you can just get some capital back selling it used or collectible, then that's an option that you can get some of that capital back to put back into inventory that is going to sell. The fourth thing that you can try to do is sell it on another platform, whether it's eBay, Poshmark, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. There's a lot of different platforms out there that you still might be able to get some capital. And if it's worth the time to put into creating that listing or meeting somebody in a safe place to be able to do a transaction locally, then you can try to sell it that way. Fifth strategy to get some more capital out of your returns is to sell it at a garage sale. Now, you might not be able to get very much out of it, but at least you're getting rid of it. You're getting some capital back, again, that you can reinvest in better inventory. So that's another strategy for you. And then finally, if even that doesn't work, the sixth strategy that you can use is to just donate it. I mean, that's just the right thing to do. Don't throw it away unless it's completely broken and damaged and no one's going to want it. I mean, you should have realized that in the first place anyway. But donate it to a worthy cause, a charity, a thrift store type of place. Donate it to be able to just get that inventory, just out of your presence and out of your mind, and you've done a good thing by donating it. So those are some strategies where you can take your returned items, maybe squeeze some profit or at least some capital out of those returns so you're still able to come out ahead at the end of the day. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Be sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell to get notifications of the new videos that come out so that you can take those part-time hours, take our strategies, and turn them into full-time income selling on Amazon FBA. And be sure to subscribe to the blog, fulltimefba.com. And you don't miss out on anything. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.